morning and welcome back to another watch list brought to you by FTX. If you don't have an FTX account, then you know what to do. Just use the link in the description below and create an account and you'll receive 10% off your trading fees. All right, let's have a look at Bitcoin on the daily chart. As we always do, I like to get a bit of perspective on where Bitcoin is on this daily. So we've got a nice level through here where we've respected it a number of times, a little bit broken through here, but it's a level nonetheless. Now, it did look like Bitcoin was going to close bullishly yesterday. At around 11 o'clock last night, it was up around 3%. But since then, the sellers have just entered the market and pushed that price straight back down, which isn't a very bullish sign for us. Now, depending on how this candle closes on this daily chart, it doesn't mean too much because the previous high has barely broken. Sorry, this high has barely broken this previous high, so we need Bitcoin to have a little bit more momentum. Now, we do know that Bitcoin acts as a bit of, similar like an indice for the rest of the market. So if Bitcoin's moving up, generally the other tokens in the market are moving up as well. So that's my only concern about Bitcoin at the moment, is because it's mainly sideways. The rest of the market is a little bit iffy. We can have a little look lower. 4 hour time frame, as you can see, it's just bouncing off this level, so nothing really there for me on Bitcoin. BNB, let's have a look at the daily. Very, very strong looking daily bullish trend, which is great to see. Let's have a look lower. The 4 hour, nothing there on the 4. It was the 2 and the 1, I think it was. Yeah, so a nice pullback on this 2 hour time frame. Higher high, higher low, higher high, pull back. We didn't quite get that candle on the 2 hour time frame, but it is trending on the 2, trending on the 4, trending on the daily, so we can definitely look lower and find those lower time frame trades if we do see some more buying come in. That's why it's in the list. Pancake swap, the 2 hour time frame, it was higher high, higher low, another higher high, pull back. Didn't quite get that small bullish candle on the open of today, so I'll be stalking this on the lower time frames. It does have a nice daily uptrend as well, so I'm happy to look lower. I don't generally trade the lower time frames, but because all time frames are trending in the same direction, yeah, I'm happy to look lower. EOS daily is looking amazing. Nice pullback into that cradle zone. If we get a nice small bullish candle in there, yep, I want to know about it. That's why that is in the list. Good morning, Winston. Yeah, so exactly, yeah, BNB on the 1 hour was looking really, really good, but just got a little bit too big. It's good to see you back trading. Exchange PERP, nice level through here. Trend busted above, pull back onto a level. Let's have a look lower. It's the 2 hour time frame, I believe. Yeah, there we go. So the 2 hour looks really good. The 1 hour as well, but the 1 hour's got too big. The 2 hour is now too big as well. But yeah, like I said before, we can definitely look at the lower time frames, look for breakouts, or look for new trends forming if we do see some buying and some nice cyclicity. Matic daily, so there was a nice trade here, so anyone that did take that trade, you've got a nice stop location there. We did barely break the previous high, so it was beginning to look a little bit weak, similar to Bitcoin, but if we do see some nice buying come into the market, we can watch these lower time frames. In the 1 hour's looking, yeah, the 1 hour shot, so the 2 hour is a bit shot as well. But yeah, if we do see some buying come in, yeah, I definitely want to know about it, and I want to be stalking those lower time frames. And OP PERP, now this is in the list because look at this. Over the past few days, 340% from around these lows. Now that is a huge move. And as a trend trader, we like to see trends like this, things that are moving high and things that are moving fast. So we like to stalk these lower time frames and try and catch a nice trend. Now, we can only focus on the cradle trades during these scans. So the cradle trades require trend. So we have to look through all these time frames to find the trends. Now, looks like we're beginning to get nice trends on the 30-minute time frame, but the MACD doesn't like it. So the reason OP is in here is because it is moving, and I definitely want to just keep an eye on it throughout the day to make sure I don't miss any nice clean pullbacks on these lower time frames. He's looking like a superstar. Oh, nice. Nice to see you in on the scans as well, Richard. It's really good to see you're super active in the community as well, asking questions, which is what we encourage everyone to do in the community. You pay to be there, so make the most of it. I like to think myself and Lou are pretty approachable in there. Even Winston, he's in there answering questions as well. So yeah, for anyone that is in the community, make the most of it for sure. But yeah, this is the list for today for me anyway. I'll continue doing scans throughout the day to make sure I don't miss anything. Craig will do the same, and Lou is around as well. So hopefully we get some great trading conditions, and we see Bitcoin move higher. I'd love to see that, but failing that, if we do see some selling come in and Bitcoin does move lower, we need those trends to form. And unfortunately, our highest probability trades are when you're trading in the direction of the daily. And at the moment, Bitcoin is in a daily uptrend. So if we do see some further selling, it needs a lot more work until that's in a daily downtrend. So yeah, next week could be interesting. Perfect. All right. Well, thanks guys for tuning in, and have a great day, and I'll chat to you soon.